So what I'm about to go do is get me something to eat. Hey Edward, I'll be back. Okay. I don't know what I want. I think all this in school lunch. And that's for practices and stuff like that. Oh yeah, the Lauren Hill shit, dude. That's sad. Anyways, I got me some Doritos. On you. Doritos! Thank you.
Want more?
Maybe. I eat other skin too. Skin's good as hell.
You get something stuck. It ain't no good. Every better hit it. That piece is gonna get right there across the street. Oh yeah. Look. Everybody go hit it. Or
No.
go get the knee.
Ugh.
You know you like the knees. You know it's good, don't you?
Hell fucking no.
I'll be like, Eric, go in. Last piece of ass you gonna get. He probably said, hell no. I don't blame him. That's nasty.
Oh, real nasty.
Any more?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
Peanut.
I got 4 too.
It's a small D-nut.
No.
It's a small D-nut.
I was gonna put it in ramen noodles, but I never did it. But I'm gonna try it though.
That sounds good as hell.
I know, alright. Everybody go on one in the pink.
Mm-mm. Other one there. Other one in the black. Hmm?
Maybe the Bonnie girl.
Mm-hmm.
Probably do.
If I didn't smoke, yeah.
Huh?
If I didn't smoke, then yeah. I'd go for the one right in the back.
From where?
Mm-mm-mm.
From the back.
In the black.
Uh-oh. Well, what the hell you gonna do from the back? Over the ass?
Hell yeah.
You be hanging on the tour like a motherfucking monkey. Come here, man. I'll be laughing. I'll be laughing my ass off.
Yeah.
Fucking shorts. Underwear's on, taking out cameras.
Hell yeah. Oh my god. A motherfucking porno.
Ever so she went to a car and turned the car door will already go up.
Mm-hmm. That was my show.
Ever so she said, how you like that?
Hmm.
She would
No.
turn yours off and start dancing to hers.
And then, I said, "Oh, you like this?" I said, "Does that bother you?" I was like, "No."
Yeah, that's what he said. He said, you said no? That was funny. Then she turned it off.
Yep.
What kind of song she had on there?
Like some gay ass shit. Like dope. Dude. I was like, what the fuck?
You told her it didn't bother you?
Yeah.
Did it?
No.
She turned it off after you told her that?
Mm-hmm. I was mad as hell.
I guess she got over it. I guess.
Yeah, that bitch better get over it.
Hey, that was to go pop her cootie bar.
Oh my god. That's so fucking nasty.
I know, right?
I cannot stand to fuck any old woman.
What happens if you get like 100 or something?
Ooh.
Don't